So the first one that we released about 2 weeks ago, called Jotter, which, as its name suggests, it's a note-taking plugin and like a communication tool. I guess in this kind of world that we live in, a lot of remote working is a bit more of a thing in the industry now, or people who are working in different studios, different facilities. Basically, you load Jotter into your session, or it can work as a standalone program. You can insert it onto your audio track. It can read the waveform as it's played, and you can make simple little notes sync to your time code. So, for example, you might want to say reduce the bass at 20 seconds. Maybe you want to boost the high end at 40 seconds. And then once you've made your little notes and adjustments, then you can export a CSV file, and you can send it across to your colleague or your co-producer, your co-mixer, and then they can import it into their session, into their instance of Jotter, and they can see all your notes, which syncs up to their session as well. So it's all about streamlining the communication between different facilities and different studios. And it's also our first plugin that we're rolling out some accessibility features for. So Jotter is our first plugin that's compatible with screen reading software to help aid producers or mixers, with visual impairments, things like that. It can introduce a bunch of different keyboard shortcuts, so you're not relying on the screen as much as you will be normally, and then can give you different readouts for different aspects of the interface as well. I guess it can kind of give you that level of maybe a bit more detail in terms of the note taking. A lot of audio workstations have like markers, and they obviously don't allow you to put like a level of detail in the notes. So you can obviously add like different points in the time code with markers, but with Jotter, I guess the ability to import and export it to different colleagues or different co-producers also works, like I was saying before, works as a standalone program as well. So you don't necessarily have to use it within Pro Tools, Logic, Ableton. You can simply load in a WAV file, make a few notes, and then you can send it off to your colleagues without having to have additional software based.